Hello, this is just a quick video on using Mach3 on a Windows 10 PC. What you need to do is make sure you've got Net 3.5 loaded. Now, you can download that from the internet, but I'll show you another way of doing it which on your own PC. So what we do is we type Control, and the Control panel comes up, as you can see here. Now you can see here that hopefully you can see this view. If it looks totally different, it could be that you've got the category wrong. So just leave it on category and you should better see this screen. So what we do is we click on Programs, and then you'll see here, turn on Windows features on and off. So we click on that, it'll populate it. Now what we're looking for is this Net 3.5, and what we want to do is we tick that box, we tick this box, and we tick this box, and we say OK. Now it's searching for the required files. It might ask you to sometimes actually whether you want to go on the internet and download it. It just depends on your version of Windows 10. Once you've been on the internet on your PC that you're using for controlling your machine running Mach3, you should make sure that you've downloaded all the updates that are available, partially downloaded. This will stop your Windows machine trying to download partially loaded files, and sometimes this can use 100% of CPU, which could possibly cause your PC to crash, or rather take up 100% and cause Mach3 to crash. Okay, you can see this is just applying the changes here. Once you've applied these changes and you've gone through and done all this, best to just double check, go into settings and check for updates. We do this on a regular basis to make sure there's no possible issues with things. We are also running on Windows 11, which if anyone wants, we'll do a small brief video, which is very similar. But as always with Windows, you'll get a slight change in screens, which can be confusing. We'll also show you how to do a network connection for the UC400 Ethernet. So it's updated now and completely done this, and now what we can do is just close this down. Now there's nothing else to do, so hopefully now what you can do now is you can then load up your UC400 or your UC100 installer, which you can get from our website. And once you've done that, you can then start running Mach3 without any problems with the motion controller. Thank you very much for watching.